welcome to Kaleido. Today I bring a question of why do we have leap years? So probably everybody knows that in every 4 years, February gets an extra day. But why do we do that? Like imagine you were born on February 29th. It would be so weird and you would be very young. Why do we do that? So the Emperor Julius Caesar, he said that it was very hard for him to track down the seasons and his events. So what he did was he said, let's make a calendar. And he wanted that calendar to match how many days the Earth takes to go around the sun, like finish a whole orbit. So he said that, and they found out that it was 365 days to go around the sun. But sooner they found that it's not exactly 365 days. It was 365 days plus 6 hours. And then Julius Caesar said, what are we gonna do with the 6 hours? We can't just have a 6-hour day. Like we would wake up, we would brush, bath, eat, and then we had to sleep again. It would be very weird and you would be really tired. So he had that problem, and then he thought that we can actually save 6 hours every 4 years, because 6 times 4 is 24, right? And 24 hours is equal to 1 whole day. So he said, let's save 6 hours 4 times, and then we would have a day, and we could add that day to February. Okay, the calendar we use now is called the Gregorian calendar. So now I'll tell you how to find if a year is a leap year or not. Okay, so for example, let's take 2020. So 2020. There are 2 properties. The first property is that it has to be divisible by 4. So 2020 is divisible by 4. But now let's take 2100. It is divisible by 4, but it's not a leap year. How is that? So they added an exception. Let's also make it has to be divisible by 400, because there's 2 zeros. For the years that have 2 zeros at the end, they have to make it by 400. So that's why we have 2 exceptions. It has to be divisible by 4 and by 400. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you really like this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. See you later.